In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix incorrect screen time on iPhone after iOS 18. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to go through a few system settings that can help reset or correct screen time data when it starts showing inaccurate usage reports. So first, I'm going to open the Settings app. Once I'm inside, I'm scrolling down slowly until I find General. This is where a lot of background system behaviors are controlled, so I'm tapping on it. Now I'm inside General, and I'm going to scroll down until I see Background App Refresh. This feature can sometimes affect how usage data is tracked in the background, especially after updates like iOS 18. Alright, I'm tapping on Background App Refresh, and now I'm opening the main setting again inside this section. At this point, I'm turning off Background App Refresh completely. This helps reduce unnecessary background activity that may interfere with screen time accuracy. Now I'm going back to the main settings screen. Once I'm there, I'm scrolling down and looking for screen time, so I'm tapping on it now. Inside screen time, I'm going to scroll down carefully until I find the option related to activity tracking. At this point, I'm tapping on Turn Off App and Website Activity. This controls whether your iPhone continues tracking detailed usage across apps and websites. Now I'm tapping on Turn Off App and Website Activity again to confirm the action. Once confirmed, this resets how your device logs usage data and can help correct incorrect screen time reporting. I like to pause here because this step is often the key fix after major iOS updates. When screen time data becomes inaccurate, it's usually because background tracking gets slightly out of sync, and turning this off helps reset that behavior. Now for the final step, I'm going to restart the device, so I'm pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button quickly, and then I'm pressing and holding the power button on the right side of the iPhone. I'm holding it until the power screen appears, and then I'm restarting the phone. This helps refresh system services, including screen time tracking, and clears out temporary glitches that may be causing incorrect data. Once the iPhone turns back on, screen time should begin recalibrating properly. It may take a little time for the data to stabilize, but you should start seeing more accurate usage reports again after everything syncs. And that's it. You went into settings, adjusted background app refresh, turned off app and website activity in screen time, and restarted your iPhone. Now your screen time data should be much more accurate after iOS 18.